Hi, my name is Tanisha Woods, and I'm the Project Director for the Pathways to Early School Success Building Local Capacity Project. Typically, we refer to the project as Pathways, so that's how I'm going to reference it in this video. The Pathways Project is housed at the National Center for Children in Poverty. We are also known as NCCP. NCCP is a part of the Mailman School of Public Health at Columbia University. Altogether, there are 5 videos which are complementary to the user guide. This is the second video in the series. In this video, you will learn about the Early Childhood Coalition Monitoring and Assessment of Progress tool, which we refer to as the Ecc Map. I'm going to discuss the background and rationale for this tool, go over the directions for completing it, and the assessment of the tool, which is where you'll have an opportunity to give us your feedback on the Ecc Map. The Ecc Map is designed to help coalitions clarify their vision and goals, especially as they relate to measurable indicators and outcomes, to improve communication and decision-making within coalitions, as well as engaging and communicating to key stakeholders that are not members of the coalition. Turning to the background on the Ecc Map. The Ecc Map measures progress in 5 areas. First, coalition background and history. This section looks at how long the coalition has been in existence and how long coalition members have been involved. The second section is on the coalition's vision, and it examines whether a coalition has a shared understanding of what they want and need to build their organizational capacity to support early childhood initiatives. The third section is on data use to measure progress towards the coalition's vision and goals, and this section looks at whether the coalition has tied measurable indicators and outcomes to their vision. The fourth section is on internal relationships, and it examines communication and decision-making processes within the coalition. The fifth section is on external relationships, and this section examines the involvement of key stakeholders who are important to supporting the coalition's work. In order to track progress, the Ecc Map should be administered on a regular basis. For the Pathways project, coalitions will complete it when they begin participating in the project and again in September. After the coalition's participation in the project is complete, we recommend that coalitions complete the Ecc Map on a quarterly basis. To complete the Ecc Map, coalition members will answer 2 types of questions. The first is multiple choice, where coalition members select one answer. The second type of question is a 5-point scale, and coalition members should select the number that best corresponds to their belief. And we also include a space for coalition members to write down additional information in response to the questions. When the Ecc Map is completed by all of the coalition members, your coalition will receive a summary report that provides findings about the clarity of the vision among members, the specificity of the coalition's goals, and whether they are tied to measurable indicators and outcomes, and also whether key stakeholders are involved in the coalition's work. Findings from the Ecc Map will help coalitions to identify areas that need improvement, as well as areas where they are strong. After coalition members have completed the Early Childhood Coalition Monitoring and Assessment of Progress tool, or the Ecc Map, we ask that you give us feedback on the tool and complete the assessment of the tool. From this video, you've just learned about the NCCP Pathways Ecc Map tool. If you have further questions, we have resources including the user guide on the NCCP Pathways website, and your coordinator as well as the Pathways team are available to answer questions.